All right, so you all are welcome to today's section of how to trade like a pro, how to trade binary option like a pro. This is something I do for my subscribers, just a free class that will give you some insights about the markets and how
Thank you
you
so
can
much,
trade.
sir.
Hello? Okay,
I
okay.
said, yeah.
All right, very good. So that is how you could trade the market efficiently and trade confidently. So I really appreciate everyone that has find themselves in this class. You honor the invitation. I really welcome each and every one of you. So all I
Thank you
just need
so
to do
much.
is to mute your mic. If I want you to say, or if I want you to speak, then you can speak. But I think everybody is muted and there is no noise. If you don't have noise in your background, you can leave your mic. But if you have noise, kindly mute your mic so that I'm just going to know those that are listening, and I would like one person to respond. All right, so we're good to go. So trade binary option like a pro. That's the topic for this class. It's an appreciation for the 4K subscribers, the 4,000 subscribers that I've gotten. So this is a free Zoom section in June 2022. So what I'm going to be basically teaching is how to trade the market with precision and confidence. I'm going to teach you how to trade the markets with precision and confidence. All right, so this is all for educational purpose only. So I'm just going to jump straight to it. How do you trade the market with precision and confidence? Is that you have to understand what we call price delivery algorithm. This is the first thing I teach most of my students. You have to understand price delivery algorithm before you can be able to trade with precision and confidence. Now, price delivery algorithm is simply how the market delivers price every day. How the market delivers price on different time frames, on different charts. Price delivery algorithm simply. All right, so price delivery algorithm is simply how the market moves from one level to another, or from one stage to the next stage. Okay, so I'm going to share with you how this price delivery algorithm works. So the price delivery algorithm states that the market will always start from consolidation. Now take note, I'm sure some of you came with your writing materials. The market will always start from consolidation. After consolidation, it goes into expansion. Now, let me first of all explain each and every one of them before I continue. Now, consolidation is simply when the market is moving within a range. Most of you know consolidation. The market is neither going higher nor going lower. That is what we call consolidation. And then the next one is expansion. What is expansion? Expansion is when the market is trading higher or trading lower. That's when you see good candles in the market. The market is trading higher or is trading lower. That's when we see good candles in the market. That is what we call expansion. And then the next one is retracement. So most of the time, after the market expands, we tend to get some retracement, right? If it expands again, we tend to get some retracement. And then the next one is reversal. Reversal is a total opposite turnaround in a trend. So the price delivery algorithm simply says that the market will always go round these circles every trading day, or every time or every hour. The market goes through these circles. So please take note of this. The markets will always start with consolidation. All right, so that's the first point. The market will always start with consolidation. So after consolidation, the market goes into expansion. After the expansion, the market goes into retracement. After retracement, it goes into reversal. From reversals, it could either go to consolidation or it goes back to retracement. All right, so I come again. The market will start with consolidation like this. From consolidation, it goes into expansion. From expansion, it goes into retracement. From retracement, it goes into expansion or reversal, and then goes into consolidation and expand again. And that is the cycle the market uses in delivering price. Now, I'm not just giving you guys theory. I would like to show you this on the chart. Hope everyone can see my chart. If you can see, just notify. Just say yes on the comment section. Just say yes if you can see my chart. Okay, very good. All right, very good. That's enough. Okay, so now, like I explained, the market is going to start with consolidation. From consolidation, it goes into expansion. Now, this is the current price action here. This is GBP USD, and this is the current price action. The market is already moving. Now, we can see that the market is consolidating here. From consolidation, it went into expansion. From expansion, it went into retracement. From retracement, it reversed or expand, and then now it's trying to consolidate. From this consolidation, it's going to go into expansion, either higher or lower. Like I said, that is the price delivery algorithm. That is how the market uses in delivering price. Now, let me look another pair. Let's say Euro JPY. If I'm still saying the same thing, the market was here. It was moving within a range. That's consolidation. From consolidation, we had expansion. From the expansion, we have reversal. From the reversal, we have retracement. And now the market is consolidating. So if you can learn to work with this price delivery algorithm, you can easily trade with precision and confidence, because you're going to know that, okay, after the market goes into consolidation, what am I expecting? I'm expecting expansion. So if the market is consolidating, all you have to do is just to notice that consolidation and don't trade on it. That's why so many of you experience losses in your trading. You trade at every stage of the market because you lack the knowledge. So if this market is consolidating, it's neither going higher nor going lower. I don't need to take any trade around here. All I need to do is to wait for it to go outside of this range. If it goes outside of this range, that means it wants to be expanding higher. If it goes below the range, that means it wants to be expanding lower. And that's simple. All right, that's simple. From consolidation, it goes into expansion, and from expansion, it goes into retracement and reversals and all that. And that is just it. And that is how you work with these circles. The market goes through these circles for every pair, every asset class, on every time frame, on your 1 minute chart, on your 5 minutes chart. Okay, let me just show you the market again, and let me show you on, let's say, a 15 minutes chart. So you can see that this is what we call the market maker profile. This is how the market delivers price every day. Now, this is the 15 minutes chart. So you can see what I'm saying. Look at this. This is the 15 minutes chart. The market was here consolidating. After consolidation, what did we get? Expansion. After expansion, what do we get? Reversals. Retrace. I think we had a range here. That's consolidation. Expand again. After the expansion, it moved here, consolidated again, expand, just like that. The same profile. I can go through all the market. You see, the market is going through these 4 different circles. It's going to go from consolidation. Once you see consolidation, you start expecting an expansion. Once you get the expansion, that is when you start following the trend. That is when you start trading. After the expansion, you expect a retracement, reversal, consolidation, or another retracement. So once you learn to work with this, your trading becomes easier and you have a lot of understanding about what the market is about to do. So there's a lot about it, but this is what I can give, what I can tell you for now. So understanding comes from exposure, and exposure creates experience. So the more you look out for these things in the market, the more you get to understand and experience this thing, whereby once you go into the market, you can easily identify the stage at which any market is currently trading on. So like the one I showed you, once I open the market, I can easily identify that the market is consolidating. So I don't need to trade. I'm expecting an expansion. Once it starts expanding, that is when I start looking for a trade. So with this price delivery algorithm, you understand that there is zero randomness in price. Everything is well organized. Everything is well programmed. This pattern repeats on all asset class and time frame. The market is all programmed and scripted. I will always tell you that the market is all programmed and scripted. Okay, we're moving forward. So the next one, after getting to understand the price delivery algorithm, next thing you need to know for you to trade with precision and confidence in this market is by learning the market structure. Now, what is market structure for some people that don't understand? Market structure definition is simply the framework or structure that any given market is currently trading in. Market structure can help you understand the behavior, condition, and current flow of the market. It highlights support and resistance levels, swing highs and swing lows, and all that. So once you go into the market, you should be able to identify the current market structure. Now, you have to understand the price delivery algorithm per time through the market swing patterns. That is how I know what the market is doing. So this is largely done with the impulse and correction theory. Let me show you what we mean by impulse and correction theory. So that is what we call the market swing model. For example, for a bullish market, it means that the market is going to start from a point of origin. And please, who is doing that on my screen? Kindly stop. So the market is going to start from, okay. So the market is going to start from an impulse price from a point of origin, and then it's going to make an expansion swing. That expansion swing, like I said, is the one I showed you that is called expansion. So the market is going to trade very well. So after the impulse swing, it's going to make what we call retracement. All right. The market is going to retrace. And after the retracement, we could get another expansion swing. So if you apply this principle, that is when we can get what we call higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher low. And this is the market structure for a bullish market. All right. This is the market structure for a bullish market. Now, for a bearish market, the market is going to start from a point of origin, and it's going to make its first impulse swing. That's the expansion move. It's going to make the first impulse swing, and then we're going to expect a retracement from buyers. Now, while the market is retracing here, it's giving you an opportunity to sell. That is what I teach my students. We sell when the market is going up, and we buy when the market is coming down. But most of you that are retail traders, they just teach you follow the trend, follow the trend. So once the market is buying, you just want to buy cluelessly. And once you buy, it starts selling and you get frustrated because you don't wait for the retracement. You don't wait for an entry before you buy. So here the market retrace and then gives us an expansion swing. So when you understand the market structure, then you can apply what we call break-it market structure, which is called BMS. Now, this is the foundation of your technical analysis. This is technical analysis 101. This is the very first thing you need to know once you want to start analyzing the market. You have to understand this break in market structure. It's going to help you a lot. It's going to save you a lot. So now, the market structure, like I said, is a precise pattern in which the market uses in the delivery of price between buyers and sellers, or highs and lows. Now, a break is simply an interruption of something or failure in precision. That is all known. That's all I mean by a break. When something stops working, that is a break. So when you put the words in together as break in market structure, the abbreviation here is BMS. So the abbreviation here is BMS. This is a failure in price pattern and delivery in the form of swing highs and lows. Let me give you a clear example of what I'm saying. Now, looking at this image, you can see here price market structure. The market started from a point of origin. Like I said, for a bullish market, the market starts from a point of origin here and trades higher, gives us a high. It trades lower, makes a low. It trades higher, makes a higher high. That means this high is higher than this previous one. And then it trades down, makes a higher low. The higher low simply means this low is higher than this previous low. And after that, it trades up again, makes a higher high, and then trades down. This time around, it made a lower low. The lower low simply means this new low is lower than the previous one. So, but if you observe, the market was giving us this pattern: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. We're expecting a higher low here so that the market can expand higher again, right? That is what we're expecting, but we didn't get that. So when the market breaks this pattern it has been going with, then we call it break in market structure. So there is a failure in this pattern that the market is working with. Before you want to start analyzing the market, this is the very basic thing you need to learn. So once I see a break in market structure in the charts, I know that the market is no more going higher and it wants to start selling. So I know that, okay, yes, the market wants to start selling. So now it's going to be giving me lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low. So now the market has changed this structure and it has gone into a bearish market. Now look at it here. This is a clear example of breaking market structure. This is a screenshot of one of my trade. So if you look here, the market started from a point of origin and it was giving us higher high, higher low. Can you see that? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And at this point, the market failed to continue higher highs and higher lows. All right. So at this point, we got break in market structure, failure in the market. So after this, the market started trading down and it started giving us all lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. While it was retracing to give me the next lower high, I took my trade for 4 minutes. Now, this is one of my powerful strategy. You can see it's very clear. Because of the market is retracing, giving me a lower high, I take my trade because I'm expecting it to continue in the pattern of lower lows and lower high. A very simple way of analyzing the market. Now, let me come again for those that don't understand the first time. I said the market is going to start from a point of origin and it gives me higher high. It made a low here and expand again. It retraced again, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. It came here, made another higher high, And at this point, it failed. Failure to continue in this pattern, that means the market has reversed. I should start looking out for selling opportunities. And then the market started giving me lower lows and lower high. So while it was retracing for the next lower high, I took my trade for 4 minutes, and 1, 2, 3, 4, you can see that was a beautiful item without any pressure. So with what I've taught you now, you can easily go into the market and look for this pattern and take a trade, and you're going to win the trade. Is that clear? So, and it's still with the basic of price delivery algorithm I taught on the first slide. I said the market is going to give us expansion, or it's going to start from consolidation and then expand. So once I see the consolidation, I know it's ready to expand. I'm sure it's getting clear. Consolidation, expand lower, I start trading for lower lows and lower highs. Here it expanded, went into consolidation, and then reversed. That is what it means. If you can hear me clearly, say yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
Can I ask you?
Questions are going to come at the end, please.
What's the better Forex player time for deal? 5 minutes or 1 minute?
I didn't get you. You said?
Expire time of deal 1 minute or
It's a 4
5
minutes
minutes?
expiry time I used there.
5 minutes?
4 minutes.
Okay.
All right, we're making progress. So this is another example of breaking market structure trade. Here, the market started from a point of origin. It gave us higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, like that. Higher high, higher low. Came here, the same thing. And after the market got to this high, what did you get? Failure. The market made a lower low. Is that true? The market made a lower low and broke this pattern of bullishness. So once you see this fall, it's a clear sign to you that, oh, the market wants to start selling. I don't need to break my head. I don't need to look at everything. Once I just see this thing, I say, okay, the failure, the pattern has failed, which gives me a BMS, breaking market structure. And from there, all I need to do is just to trade for lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and like that. So while the market was retracing, I got my entry here, and then I trade for 4 minutes. And it's that simple, right? Is that clear? Using price delivery algorithm and break in market structure. Fantastic. Someone said it's clear. All right, so let me go into my YouTube and play back this video just to show you guys one more time how you can trade with this market pattern of higher high, higher low structure. All right, so give me a second. Let me put up the video.
Okay, thank you.
All right, can you see the video now?
No.
Please kindly mute your mic. Kindly mute your mic. I don't know why some people don't listen to simple instruction.
Could I ask you?
All right, go on. You wanted to say something? You wanted to ask a question?
Could I use indicator using trading?
You said if you can use indicator to do what? Hello?
Yes, it is successful or no? It is succeed.
Please, who can help him? I don't understand what
Okay.
he's asking.
I guess he was asking if you trade with indicators.
No, I don't trade with indicators, please. What I'm teaching you guys here is clear price action. Now everybody can see how it's working. So there's no point trading indicators. Indicators can't tell you the future price. They will only tell you what the market has done. So with that way, you can actually predict the future. All right. So I don't trade with indicators. All right. So this is the video I want to show you guys. Hope everyone can see the video clearly.
Yes.
All right. So this is a trade. I think I just want to show you guys how I got about the second trade. It's simply with the pattern of breaking market structure. So here, give me a second. Let me put up the next trade. All right. All right. So this is the point I want to show you. So we can see here that the market has been giving us higher highs and higher lows, just the way I explained here. And at this point, the market was giving higher high, higher low, and it got here. After the green candle, I was thinking the market will continue buying. But after the green candle, we had a dodgy candlestick. So after the dodgy candlestick, we didn't get buyers to clear or continue the buying or the trend. So after this, I saw sellers. So me seeing sellers in this market, what does that mean? BMS, breaking market structure. The market can't continue higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low when sellers come in like this. Instead of what we would have gotten here is basically green. Let me use green. What would have gotten here is green, green like that. So if I had seen that, I would have known that, okay, yeah, the market is still giving me higher highs and higher low structure, so I can't sell. But when the market go here and give me this red candle, that's a clear sign that, oh, the market is no more trading higher. Now it wants to start selling. So that was why I waited for a good entry, and then you can see I used 4 minutes and I took a sell option for 4 minutes. And that was how I came up with this trade. That was how I came up with this trade. Clear market structure and price delivery algorithm. Someone is saying evening star reversal candlestick. Please, that's not what I used. Just for your correction. So with that, I took the trade and You can see how the market did. The first candle, I think, was a weak candle. And the market started selling from the point I took that trade continuously. And on the last candle, yeah, on the last candle, the market kept on selling more and more. So a quick summary of how I took this trade. Like I said, the market was giving me higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low structure. It got to this point. After the green candle, it failed to continue the pattern. So after failing to continue that pattern, I know it's no more buying. All right. Then after the seller's entry, I got an entry point, and then I placed my trade for 4 minutes sell. Is that clear? All right, fantastic. So that was how I took that trade. That's a clear example of breaking market structure I just gave you again. All right, so the topic of this class is how to trade with precision and confidence. I've given you guys the knowledge of trading with precision by understanding the price delivery algorithm, how the market moves from one stage to another. That is going to tell you a precise direction of the market. And I've given you the market structure theory, how you're going to know when the market is going to be trending higher or when the market is going to be trending lower. Once you see a break in market structure, you know that, okay, the market wants to reverse or the market is still trading continuously. So that is for the precision part. Now, the next part is the confidence part, which is the trading psychology. So as a trader, it's not enough for you to know price action. All right. It's not enough for you to know price action. You need to learn to control your emotions and develop your psychology as a trader. So that's what I'm going to be teaching now in the second part, which is trading psychology. Now, for you to trade without fear and for you to trade without greed, or for you to control your emotions in this market, first you need to have the right knowledge. Now, the right knowledge I'm talking about, it's kind of like the one I just gave you on how to trade with precision. And somebody was asking if I was using indicator. You can't trade with the right knowledge. You can't use indicator and you don't struggle with emotions because you don't know what you're doing. You're depending on indicator to tell you what the market should do. You're going to be scared, right? You don't know what the market will do. So you need to have a good understanding about the market, the right knowledge, like I said, that is going to reduce the fear and is going to build your confidence for you. The second one is emotional regulation. After you've learned the right knowledge, the next thing is to develop your emotional regulation skills, whereby you can do this by controlling your breath. All right. You have to learn to control your breath when trading. Some of you, when you're trading, your heart is panting, you're having anxiety, you're having tension and all that. So many emotional arousals. So you need to learn to control your breathing technique when trading. If you can control the way you breathe, if you can control the way you breathe while trading, it's going to help you to control your emotions so you don't make bad mistakes. You don't make bad trading mistakes and error. The third one is positive affirmations and visualization. Now, what does this mean? When you're trading, your mind is going to be speaking a lot of things to you. Your mind is going to be distracting you. Your mind is going to tell you, are you sure I'm going to win this trade? Are you sure I'm going to blow my account? Am I a good trader? Your mind is going to be telling you all sort of things just to distract you or keep you from maximizing your potential as a trader. That's why some of you, when you go into a demo account, You can easily win, you trade well, because you don't have anything to lose when you're trading on a demo account. But once you switch to your live account, you struggle to take trades. Okay? You struggle to take trades, and it's very bad because you don't overpower the bad negative talks in your head. You have to see yourself trading like a professional trader, and you have to believe and speak to yourself that I am good, I'm a good trader, I can trade the markets, I am confident, and I can do it. So you have to be speaking the positive things to yourself while you're trading this market, because your emotions are going to haunt you to give you bad ideology about the market. It's going to call you a fool. If you lose a trade, it's going to tell you you don't know anything, you're stupid, you're going to blow your account. If you allow your mind to keep on giving you those negative talks, you can actually trade with your potential. And the fourth one is learn to take imperfect actions. All right. There's no perfect person in this market. How you can develop your trading psychology is learn to take imperfect action. If you see a good signal, take it. Sometimes you can even close your eyes and take it. But one thing about us is that once you see a signal, we wait for confirmation. The confirmation comes, you're waiting for another confirmation, and you're going to leave that signal and go to another pair, deceiving yourself that you're looking for confirmation. When you come back to that pair, the trade you were looking for was an ITM, or it would have been a win, and you go to another pair because of you lost a good signal. You're going to force yourself and go and take another trade on another pair, and you're going to lose. You see, I'm sure that that is one of the major challenge with so many traders. They find it hard to take imperfect actions, but without taking actions, you can never progress as a trader. And that is the part for trading psychology I want you all to learn. The next one is money management. Money management is another thing that is holding some of you from trading like a professional. Now, let me tell you this, money management is going to make a lot of difference when you start applying it in your trading. Some of you just trade recklessly. You don't have a clear trading plan. You don't know what to do when you lose one trade. You don't know what to do when you lose two trades. You don't know what to do when you lose three trades. So, but if you can apply the right money management, I tell you, you're going to be a profitable trader. Now, let me share you some of the tips that you can apply in your money management skill. The first one is trade with money you can afford to lose. Sometimes I observe that if I'm trying to trade with a big amount, I tend to be more careful. Let's say I want to trade with $200. I'll be so careful, and I'll be trying to make sure I don't make a mistake so I don't lose the money. Now, why I'm finding it difficult to take the trade is because the amount of money is huge. But if I should be trading with a $10, or yeah, if I should trade with $10 amounts, and meanwhile my capital is like $1,000, you can see the emotional challenge is going to be reduced. I won't be that scared to be taking a trade of $10 with this account size, right? So one thing that causes you to lose in your money management game is like is because you're starting with a big amount. You want to make all the profit one day. So you need to trade in money you can afford to lose, so that even if you lost it, you can always come back and trade and recover. The second one is maximize high probability setups or trades. Now, this is a very powerful money management tip. One thing I found out in so many traders is that they trade all kind of signals. They waste their money on different kind of signals. But there are some trades that has about 99% accuracy or winning ratio. What I do is that, let's say I'm trading with a $1 trade. Let's say I'm trading with $1 trade amount. And while I'm trading, I'm just taking all kind of signals. But if I see this break in market structure I taught you guys today, that I know that it can hardly fail, I might step up and use $3 or $4 to take that, because I know it's a 99% accuracy and is a high probability winning trade. So I'm going to use good money to take that signal. And if I win, I'm going to come back and start using $1, trading all kind of different signals I know. So this is a powerful tip you can apply in your money management strategy to maximize high probability setups. The third one is that don't place too much expectation on your profit. Some of you are trading, you're looking at your balance. If you observe me, I always hide my trading balance, because the more you're looking at it, the more you're getting emotional arousals, the more you're getting scared. If you're not making profit, you'll be so focused on your trading balance, and it's not good for you as a trader. You're a developing trader. You always focus on your balance. How much have I made? How much have I lost? You know, you don't need to put a lot of expectations in the profit you want to make. Just feel free and trade the market efficiently. Try to understand what the market is doing before you take trades. All right, try to understand what the market is doing before you take trades. So this is the part that so many of you are struggling. Some of you have learned about trading. You've learned price action. You've learned risk management. The next one is trading psychology. So trading psychology is one of the major things that is killing a lot of traders. They know how to trade to some extent, but they don't know how to control their emotions. So after they lost one trade, they start getting scared of taking the next trade. And I tell you, with that way, you can never progress as a trader. All right, so I've been able to share the tips I know that can help you as a developing trader. But if you want to learn more, I'm going to be having my next mentorship for the July badge. The July badge of becoming a profitable trader. As I'm talking to you, some persons have already registered for this mentorship. So if you find it interesting, you want to really learn more, you want to learn more about price delivery algorithm, you want to learn more of how to control your emotions, how to develop a good money management system that will always make you profitable, then I advise you take advantage of this mentorship program right now. Like I said, it's not for everybody. It's for only people that want to change their trading career and move to the next level. So I have one thing I do almost every time, which is called the Action Takers Offer. Now, the Action Takers Offer is basically a bonus offer I do for some people that are serious of joining the mentorship program. What I do is that in the first 5 days of this registration, because the registration is ongoing, but in the first 5 days from now, if you can pay $100 instead of $150, I'm giving you guys a discount right now. If you can pay $100 instead of $150, you're going to find yourself inside the mentorship program, and I'm going to add you to the group. But these are the offers. You're going to get the past mentorship videos. You're going to get the most powerful PDFs for emotional regulation. For some of you that struggle to control your emotions, you can't trade because of fear. I'm going to send you a PDF that's going to change everything about your emotional trading. And then I'm going to give you my secret hack to one-shot, one-kill trades. You can see some of the things I showed you today are good, but I have a lot that are mind-blowing that once I share them with you, you're going to get a lot of value from it. So that's it. Yeah, so before you ask your questions, let me just go through some frequently asked questions. So many people ask me about the mentorship program. What am I going to learn? So what are you going to learn? You're going to learn how to control your emotions, how to trade without fear and greed. You're going to learn principles of a consistently profitable trader. You're going to learn to develop the winning psychology over the market. And I'm going to teach you the basics of trading with candlestick psychology, how to determine the next direction of any pair. This is one of the most powerful things you need to know. I'm going to teach you how to determine the next direction of any pair. Once you see a pair, I'm going to show you things that mere looking at it, you can tell if it's going to go higher or lower from where it currently is. And it's one powerful tool that you need to have as a trader. And then I'm going to teach you my most profitable strategy, which is the Power 4 strategy. I've been able to diversify it over a period of time. The way I do it before is not the way I'm doing it now. And then lastly, I'm going to show you how to manage your capital, never to lose your capital, the best money management strategies, and you're going to learn the pattern to trade any market condition. There are ways you trade on different markets. Different markets has different rules. I'm going to teach you how to trade on any market condition. And remember, it's a lifetime support. You're going to get the videos of the mentorship. All right. So I'm telling you to join the mentorship, not because I want you to join, but because I'm a profitable trader. I can stand anywhere in the world and confidently say I've proven to be a profitable trader. And most of my students too have been able to prove that they are profitable. All right. So this is one of the thing I did earlier this year. I grew a $1,000 account to $1,515 just within 15 days. Now, why I did this is because I wanted to prove to people that you can actually make money every day trading this platform. When I was doing this challenge, I never recorded a losing day. I was making profit every single day. I had to document it. This is the Excel file. This is how the account was growing every single day. I kept on making profits every day. And at the end, the account grew to, after I made some withdrawals, the account grew to $2,778. There was a time I did an account statement on my YouTube. You can find the video. I did an account statement. I showed you how I started in the month and how it's going. I've been able to show you guys the back end of my account just to prove to you that this thing works, that you can actually be a profitable trader. All right. So if you want to get this kind of results, do what to join the mentorship. There is a lot you can learn. See, let me tell you the truth. What I just showed you today is just a tip. It's just a tip of the iceberg. There is a lot that you need to learn to trade efficiently. So the classes, the registration is going to end 30th of this month. VIP section is available for those that need one-on-one trading. So many people ask me this question. I've attended 3 courses on binary option and I don't have result. And I tell them, try kennyearn and see. All right, just try me and see if you're going to get result. I give 100% cash back after the day 1. If you're not interested after the day 1 of the mentorship, you can decide you want your money back. I'm going to send your money to you just to tell you I'm not interested in your money. I'm only interested in those people that want to learn. All right, those people that said is enough. They are tired of losing their money to these brokers and they want to learn how to trade efficiently. This mentorship program is for you. All right, how do you register? You can send me a message right now on Telegram, or you can go to the website and sign up. All right, now I've shown you my results, but let me show you my student result. So it won't be as though it's just only me that is making profit in this market. Let me show you that I have some students that have proven to be making profit after the mentorship program. All right, so let me see so that I can see clearly. Okay, so you can see this was May 11th. I received a message from one of my students. He just said, hi, Kenny, I'm getting hung on time in price. There's a strategy I teach on my mentorship called time in price. I'm going to teach you how to use time to predict the next market direction. So you can see the history, about 11 straight wins, consistent profit. This one said, thank you for powerful knowledge and wisdom to conquer fear on the market. Hopefully I can get consistently. Now this guy, after the mentorship classes, he now knows how to control his emotions. He doesn't fear. He can actually trade efficiently and make profit. So this is what I'm talking about. It's not enough for you to know price action. You need to learn to control your emotions. If not, you're going to spoil things or you're going to lose money while you're trading. This one is one of my students that won a weekly tournament. He said the battle was not easy, but by the grace of God and the right knowledge. Remember, I told you have to have the right knowledge. And he came out the 5th position and won $350 from IQ option trading on a tournament account. And this is the profit live. And he made that 5th place and got a prize of $350. Is that not wonderful? This other guy, he said, hi, Kenny, $50 to $300. The journey has been smooth after the mentorship class, and the next target is $1,000. This guy grew his $50 to $900. The last time I communicated with him, he said he grew that account to $900. I didn't know why he didn't send me the screenshot. I would have showed you guys here. So you can see, if I'm showing you only my own results, it would be as if I'm the one doing it or I'm the one doing the magic. But I'm showing you live here that people like you are getting results. So it won't be as if I have something I know that others don't know. I'm giving out the knowledge 100%, and my students are getting awesome results. And that is my joy. I want to see most of you become profitable. Some of you have been losing money in the market. Some people come to me on Telegram and say, I lost $3,000, $4,000 in trading or on IQ option. And I tell them, okay, sign up for the mentorship so you can learn. They say they can't afford it. And I smile. You can afford to lose $4,000, $3,000, but you can't afford to join a mentorship that will save you for a lifetime. And they were like, they are going to get back to me or they are going to join later. And I leave them. Later on, they will come and tell me, please, 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 I want to join. I want to join. They will rush and join the mentorship. Some people that say they can't afford it.
Can I ask you?
I'm coming. I'm going to be open for questions very soon. Please hold on. I'm going to be open for questions very soon. Victory. Victory. Yeah, you want to say something?
What's the number of deal we should enter today?
I didn't get you. Can you type the question in the chat, please? Just type your question. All right. So some people say they can't afford to, they can't afford the money. And I tell them, how much can you afford to lose before you can join the mentorship? So like I said, it's not for everybody. It's for those that have decided they want to be a profitable trader and they don't want to keep on losing or trading cluelessly in the market. I don't want this meeting to linger for so long, but I think, oh, that's all for today. Thanks for your audience. I wish you all good luck and good trading. I'll close on this note. Emotional traders will never be successful traders. They only need one day to ruin a 3 to 5. They only need one day to ruin 3 to 5 years of effort. Some of you that have been trading, you might grow your account from Monday to Friday or from Monday to Thursday. Just one day, you lose all the profit and go back to the way you started before or go back to your previous balance. It has been happening. 1 step forward, 3 steps backward, 2 steps forward, 7 steps backward. So many of you have been struggling like that in this business, but I can assure you after the mentorship program, you will always come back to testify. You always come back to thank me for giving out this knowledge that I have. Okay, good one from Isaac. Good one. Thanks for your feedback. Okay, what number of these should we enter every day? I don't understand. What number of these? Like how many trades you need to take? It's up to you. It depends on what you want to trade. All right, so I'm open to questions. If you have any question, you can drop them in the chat or you can unmute your mic. If you don't have noise, unmute your mic and ask your question.
Hi, Kenny.
Yeah, I can hear
Hope
you.
you're doing good. How are you?
I'm very fine. And you?
So, Kenny, I'm from India. So I've been watching all your videos.
All right.
So they were simply very awesome. I'm trying to understand, I mean, what strategy you are using, because recently have been reading books related to money management and uh, emotional control, mindfulness. I just wanted to know only a strategy. So would there be any concession for that? I just wanted to understand the market structure. I mean, what strategy you use.
All right. One thing about my mentorship, like I said, it's a mentorship program. Please note that word. Before I even started this my stuff, there are some people that was before me that have been trading binary option. They have been doing online class, online course, but I don't mean to talk down on anybody, but today they are nowhere to be found. But what I'm trying to say is that this is a mentorship program. Most of the things I teach are programmed in the sense that if you don't understand day one teaching, you might not understand day two teaching. If you don't understand day two teaching, you might not understand day three. So there's no way you should just be cutting corners. I would advise you join and get the full knowledge, and you appreciate it at the end. Trust me, you're going to appreciate it. So I can't just teach you my strategy when I've not taught you what I'm supposed to teach you. Day one, you get confused. All right, it's going to be a lot of trauma for you. So the best thing is just to join and follow me through the journey from the day one to day 10. It's about 10 working days and 10 sections. I tell you, on the day 9 and day 10, your eyes are going to be open. Your eyes are going to be open to deep things that you have not seen before that is happening in the market.
Yes, that's fair. Understood. Thank you. Thank you, Kenny. Thank you very much.
All right, you're welcome. Okay, some people said the YouTube videos alone are already giving them profit. Someone said, how many years you are profitable trader? That's a funny question. Some say if you can make deposit, okay. Okay. Can you send lecture to us? Yeah, I'm going to send the video on my YouTube. Someone is bugging this thing. What's his name? Shaira. If you can afford the mentorship, no problem. You can continue with the YouTube videos. All right. It's not a challenge. But don't forget, the offer ends. The offer ends 5 days from now. Someone said, what is my profit target? What is my profit target? I tend to grow my account in percentage. Dr. Mastery, you want to say something? Moses?
Yes, boss. Good afternoon.
Yeah.
I really, I don't have a question though, but it's just for those who are on this call. I'm a student. I'm a student. I joined the October mentorship, and I must tell you that sincerely, if you are still doubting, sincerely, you shouldn't, because this mentorship has really changed my life. I mean, before I joined this mentorship, I used to follow signals from many of these traders, some of these Indian traders, and trust me, I blew my account at the end of the day. But when I joined this kennyearn mentorship program, I mean, I can trade myself. I can take trades that I know that, okay, I've personally, I've grown an account from $75 to $600 before. So with what I've learned, right? So if you are still doubting, trust me, Coach Kenny did not ask me to do this. I'm just doing this on my own, right? Because I know that it works perfectly. So you just want to come in. It's a mentorship, right? We used to have weekly sessions and all those kind of things. So trust me, you want to be a part of this. Yeah, thank you very much.
Wow, thank you so much, Moses. I never expected. I think I would have even. I didn't even plan that some of you are going to join, my real student. But I really appreciate the fact that you joined and you can give some good remarks. I really appreciate the fact. I think maybe some other people is a Pam. Pam, can you speak up?
Yes, sir. Good evening, all.
Okay, good. Now I'm
Good
seeing
evening,
some of
sir.
my students that joined this class. All right, you're welcome. Pam,
Thank you, sir.
to say? Has the mentorship been helpful? Just say your mind. You can be truthful, right? This is we didn't bargain or we didn't do anything on this thing. I'm also surprised seeing you guys here. So you just tell the world, what do you think
Hello.
about the mentorship?
To us
Okay.
through Telegram or YouTube.
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay. All what I want to tell all the participants, it will do them good if they join the kennyearn mentorship class. Honestly, I was a fellow student with Moses that spoke last. To be honest, I have been earning because I know in the past I lost a lot of money, but I'm glad that I'm a profitable trader every day. And now I trade with confidence, without fear. Because there are certain things that you taught us a lot of things that have helped me. Once, if I open a chart, I set my eyes on those three things. And that always helped me to note the market direction. Because it is not only for one to know the market structure, there are other things, especially the power four that we trade and the 1 minute prediction. Honestly, I thank God I'm doing my best on both and I don't lose my trades again. I hardly have a drawdown in a day. It is very difficult. And to be honest, I have never once seen a mentor that is truthful and sincere as kennyearn, because you have been sincere to us and you have never once hid any secret from us. And that's why we keep on being profitable. And I'm encouraging others, let them join the mentorship class. It's not that kennyearn is asking us to lure you people or to cajole you people to join the mentorship class. And I know it is for your own good. Even me, the $100 that I paid last year, it was very painful due to lack of money. But now I'm glad that I'm up to do. It is well. Thank you very much.
I really appreciate your feedback, Moses. Pam, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right. I'll be expecting if you want to send me a message, do want to send me a message on Telegram, and I'm going to post the video on YouTube. And remember, after 5 days, the discount expires and it goes back to $150. Like I said, it's not for everybody. It's not a must. And but I wish you all good luck with trading. If you want to change your trading career, take the opportunity now and join the July mentorship program. Thank you all for joining this class. Are there any more questions? Without any further ado, good
Okay,
night.
hello, sir.
Yeah.
Hello,
Wish you
sir.
good luck.
Okay, speak up.
Yes, so please, I was asking on the chat earlier for Dupi.
You said?
I said I was asking on the chat earlier for those of us like for us in Nigeria, like how much is it going to be like for the conversion rate?
Okay. The current rate right now of dollar is 600, but I take 570.
Okay,
So
thank you,
you
sir.
can just do the math.
All right, thanks, sir.
All right, you're welcome.
Hi, Kenny.
Yeah.
Alton. I joined your January mentorship program, and I'm in the process of doing your $10 challenge. And to be honest, your strategies work. That's very true. Your powerful really works. At the moment, I'm still struggling with like emotional control. But my question right now is, when determining whether the market is in consolidation or tracement, like the price delivery, do you look at the 5 minute or 1 minute time frame? What's the best? Or just look at any? I want to understand what's the best way to understand the price delivery algorithm in terms of the time frame.
Okay. The best way to know that is by using the 5 minute chart. If you don't understand what the 5 minute chart is saying, then you use the 15 minute chart. But if you use the 5 minute chart very well, you're going to see it deliver on the 1 minute. It's all the same thing. So, but I would advise always use the 5 minute chart.
Okay, and my follow-up question is for the July mentorship. Do you know what the time, like the schedule for the meetings, the Zoom meetings will be like?
Yeah, it's 4:30 p.m. my time, like the same time we started today's class. It's 4:30
Oh, okay,
p.m.
thank you. Appreciate it.
You're welcome, Elton. Good to hear from you. Been a while, Elton.
Yeah, it's been a while. I'll text you, or give you some of the feedback, like based on like the trades that I've been doing over the $10 challenge. Right now, yeah, things just went bad. Just one day of terrible decisions. Yeah, messed me up. But to be honest, like there was a time when I was like thinking that I'm winning, and for sure, like your strategy works, and I'm being real. Like the powerful strategy really works.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you, guys. Thank you all. All the best. Good night. Bye for now.